Alright, this demo here is for the Thermotron SM16C. Here's the front view of it. The side view. As you can see, it has a chart recorder here, and this is your air dryer, because this thing has humidity capabilities of going down to 10% humidity. It is ran by an air connection, which is right here, and it also, the controller has 488 connection and also LAN connection. On the back side of the unit, you have your water hookup right here. I have this hooked up to a canister. The canister does not go to it, and the red container is just the drain for the system, which is the red container does not go with it either. You got your two circulator fans, and on this other side, basically up here is your humidity sensor, test port, your vacuum gauges or pressure gauges for refrigeration, your power cord, on the front you got your view window, which is frosted up. It is in our ad. It doesn't affect the system in any way, except that you can't really see through it. I'll turn the light on inside the chamber, and you'll be able to see how frosted up it is. Okay, you got your main disconnect here, power disconnect, and then you have your controller here. As you can see, we're down to -75. It gets down to -73 in about a little over 40, I think we're on 47 minutes. Right now, I'll take some pictures of the various temperatures and humidity settings so you can see that it reaches everything. Basically, the way this works is if you want to change anything, I can go to the set point here. Once this thing's flashing, I can just go ahead and change the temperature of, like, I can put 50 in there and then enter, and then I gotta hit run, and it will change this set point up to 50 or whatever you programmed it for. And this is your process variable, which is your actual temperature. Over here, channel 2 is your humidity, which is at 0 because we are at a cooling parameter that can't exist with the humidity. So as soon as I get down to this 50, I'll start running the humidity side and showing you, just taking pictures of what the parameters can meet. Inside here is your chamber. Let's see. It is very cold in there. And I'll come back to the system when it's reached 50 degrees. All right, here we go. We have it, the temperature set at 50 degrees Celsius, and then we have the humidity set at 15. As you can see, it's all rock steady all the way across the board at 50% humidity, or 15% humidity, and 50 degrees. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this up over here, put it to 80, hit enter, and then run. As you can see up here, then it will change that to 80%, and we'll be back to see the humidity up at 80%. Okay, now we're back to the system, and you can see that it's at 80% humidity. Pretty stable at that. Okay, I'm even going to open up the chamber this time to show you that there is humidity in here. get a moisture down all the way down at the bottom. And as I open it, it should have dropped down. And you can see that the gauge is not reading 80% anymore, but rising. And the next one will be at 180 degrees with the humidity shut off. Okay, and the last and final test is the system at 180 degrees. Of course, channel 2 is not able to do anything in this temperature range. And that is the end of the test.